So this is almost perfect. The one thing that's a little bit off is that we can still get to our pages by going to node / and then the number. So here's the About Us page. We can get to it with node /2, or we can get to it by going to About Magnificent. The problem with there being multiple URLs for a single piece of content is that search engines see each URL as an individual page, and when you have multiple pages that have the same content on it, the search engine isn't quite sure which one should be the legitimate page. So it has to decide how to split up the rankings between those two URLs. This is further complicated by the idea that incoming links to your site from other websites have an effect on your ranking in search engines. If you have multiple URLs, then it's possible that you have links going to two separate URLs, which is splitting up the effect of those incoming links. So whenever possible, if you have multiple URLs for the same page or the same content, you want to consolidate them into one. PathAuto won't do that for you, but another module called Redirect will. So let's install that. So I'm going to project/redirect on Drupal.org, and we're going to copy a link to the latest recommended Drupal 8 version. Let's go back to our site and install new module. We'll paste in the URL and click install. Let's enable it. So now, if we go to node /2, which is our About Us page, it gets redirected automatically to About Magnificent.